Dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. And our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical query, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact us via these contact details so our team can organize a doubt clearing session for you, or you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions, online sessions. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, etc. So please feel free to contact us via these contact details. Okay. So now I am telling you that we are going to solve a mathematical problem uh, which is telling us that what is the sum of the maximum and the minimum values of 1 by 1 plus 2 cos x minus 4 sin x whole square over x belongs to R. Okay, so there are four options here: 19 by 21, 22 by 21, 23 by 22, and 25 by 23. So what can be done in this case? So I am telling that this question is appeared in the MCQ section of the entrance test examination of ISI MTech QROR. Okay, so the question is telling us that this. So now we are going to find the maximum and the minimum values of the expression which is given in the question, which is 1 by 1 plus 2 cos x minus 4 sin x whole square. Okay, yeah. So now what can we do? We can write that this thing will look like this: 1 plus 4 into cos x minus 2 sin x whole square, as we can take 2 from this thing. So now using Cauchy-Squarce inequality. Okay, so how can we use this? So let me write it uh, with another color. Yeah, so I want to do one thing, that we can write cos x minus 2 sin x, that can look like cos x comma sin x is producted with, let us make the dot product with it, so we will get this thing. Okay, so now we can, by the Cauchy-Squarce inequality, we can write that cos x comma sin x product with minus 2 comma 1 dot square, that is equals to less than equals to norm of this into, sorry, norm of this square into norm of this square. Okay, so by simplifying it, what we will get? So from this thing, we know that we will get cos x minus 2 sin x whole square, and that will be equals to cos square x plus sin square x, and that will be 4 plus 1. So we can easily write that our cos x minus 2 sin x whole square will be less than equals to 5, as we know that this is 1. Okay, so now we have to use this in our question. So as we got the maximum value of this, and that has to be 5, so if we put this, so we will get the minimum value of, let us name it fx. So we will get the minimum value of fx. So our min x is equals to 1 by 1 plus 4 into 5. So that will be 1 by 1 plus 20. So that will be 1 by 21. So now we are going to see the maximum value of it. Okay. So the maximum value of it will be what? The maximum value will occur. Yeah. So when our this thing, that means our cos minus 2 sin x, that is equals to 0, only in that case we will get the maximum value. So our maximum value will be 1, which is our max fx. Okay, so I think they asked us that the sum of max and min. Yeah, what is the sum of the maximum and minimum values of this? So that is my 1 by 21. So as our minimum is 1 by 21 plus 1 is my maximum. So we will get 22 by 21 is the correct answer of this question. So our correct answer is our option B. Okay. Hope you understood, guys. Again, I am telling that if you have any mathematical queries or doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact us via these contact details so you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav sir's classes. Okay. Thank you, guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.